Well, everyone, David Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper coming at you, and there's our lead painter, Chad, over here getting ready for some spraying. So we've sprayed out, or he sprayed out, I should say we, because definitely he sprayed out the rest of this house that they've already started unmasking. And so now we're working into this living room, so they're masking off the windows for the doors, and then Jose's pulling the can lights. They had a fireplace on this wall, so it's been interesting. It's been interesting, and now Chad's laughing because they started pulling off the huge rock, and you could see about a 4-inch, almost a 5-inch hole where they had all the rock in the bottom, and then they had to re-drywall, so we've been delayed in there. So that was why we never sprayed that at the same time. So they had using a masking machine to put in the paper and the tape, and then he'll be getting into the sprayer today, spraying the little mini crown, the doors, windows, base trim, and everything else that's in there. So all the handles will be coming off, hardware will come off, and like I said, they already started masking, so I'll do these things to taping, and then he'll be getting to spraying pretty soon. And then the door back there is a raw wood, so they got to do some primer on that before we do the spraying. But there's just a kind of a progress update on this job of the spraying that they're doing, and they'll be getting into paint probably tomorrow on the walls. So once it's all done, this is the last 2 rooms for painting, and then it'll be all set. If you have questions about painting, whole house painting, painting trim, spraying, rolling, brushing, walls, what have you, give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you load the space you're in.